Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon, like, share, and comment in the video. Add masoor, tur, and moong dal mixture into a cooker. Add 1 glass water to the cooker. Add 1 pinch of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Close the lid and let it cook for 3 whistles. Take 2 glasses of water in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Chopped cauliflower. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add chopped cauliflower. Mix a bit and close the lid. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Add ½ tablespoon of jeera seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Add 2 pieces of garlic slices. Add 1 onion slices. Add green chili slices. Add ½ glass of water. Add 1 spoon of coriander powder. Add 1 spoon of red chili powder. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Add tomato paste. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add boiled cauliflower slices. Mix carefully for 10 minutes. Oil-free chapati. serving the prepared dishes. Oil-free healthy lunch is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, like, share, and comment in the video.